So what are we looking at here? What was in this brand new this TRX that I just bought?
So these are GPS trackers. You get two in there. That's usually
Okay.
you only find one.
Found two. Look, guys, if you bought a Hellcat or Scat Pack or Charger Challenger recently, you might want to have an installer take a good little look under the the dashboard of your car. I see it flashing.
Yeah. So right now it's recording because we have an alarm event going on.
Yeah, good stuff. Yep, I hear it. Oh yeah, Compustar IGLA, and then we're gonna do the plate that's coming in on Friday.
Yep.
So this truck will be I don't want to say unstealable, but close to it.
As close as you're gonna get.
Close as you're gonna get. All right, guys, you see the mastermind, the madman as usual, but we don't have a Hellcat Charger here. We have the monster, the Ram TRX, fully loaded. What are we getting into, man? What are we doing here?
Just like before, we're going to do the full security package.
Yes, sir.
Compustar T13.
Yeah.
IGLA pin code system.
Yes,
we'll
sir.
do the neutral lockout or strap, whatever I forgot what we're calling that. And then we're also going to add the drone camera for it. So,
That's going to be a first, the drone camera.
Yep. So you don't have that one on your other one.
No.
But it should give us motion detection in front of the truck.
Sure.
As well as you'll be able to monitor the vehicle
From the
from
rear.
your drone app.
And from the app. Okay. All from the drone app. So it's all integrated in the app.
Correct. So like if you just want to check on your truck, you can
Yeah.
go onto the app, click the camera. You can look out the front, or we can look out one of the auxiliary cameras.
Sweet. And what is that? 2.5K front, 1080p rear, something like that?
I believe so. Yes.
Okay, we can work with that. So, got the fully loaded Ram here. We're getting IGLA, Compustar. I just picked this up yesterday. Like, I didn't get home till 10:30, and it's 9:30 the following day.
Not even 12 hours.
Not even 12 hours. I am not playing. You are not getting this truck. So he's going to take care of that. And we're going to be secure, man. TunesCarStereo. He does it all. Now he's doing the Rex, man. And we got plenty of stuff playing. Lights, putting lights on the Ram bar. He does all of that stuff. Exterior lighting, all that stuff. So we're going to turn this into a proper off-roading, machine. So
Any tow packages you're doing with it, or?
I don't know. I haven't even thought that far. That's a whole new realm for me that I haven't even thought about. Like, I'm still thinking, treating this like it's a car. Like, oh, let's get security. Let's get dash cams. I got to get a police radar because I forgot that this has a 700 horsepower Hellcat engine in it.
And you forgot.
I forgot. And it's like, yeah, I could probably get in some trouble. I was so scared coming through Georgia yesterday. I think it was Greenville, right outside of Georgia. So Greenville, South Carolina, running into highway patrol out there. I was like, fuck, like I gotta remember, I'm in a big blue Hellcat truck, essentially.
Easy target.
Easy target. Easy target. So yeah, man, full security profile. The one and only, man. Let's get started.
But I thought the same thing.
So what are we looking at here? What was in this brand new this TRX that I just bought?
So these are GPS trackers.
Yeah.
Generally installed by the dealership,
Gotcha.
either as an upsell for some sort of low jack kind of deal,
Sure.
or if you purchased it through a non Dodge, sometimes it's used for financial purposes in case you don't pay your bill.
Gotcha.
Anything
We can
like
track
that.
it down and take it back.
Repo it.
Gotcha.
More than likely, this was done at a dealership at one point in time.
Gotcha.
Just in case they get stolen off the lot.
Makes
And
sense.
What they do is they just say, "Hey, would you like to pay for it and buy this, absurd GPS tracker that took 3 seconds to remove?"
Gotcha. That's literally what it took. Like, he showed me the process, and it was, seconds.
Like this one was just like 2 pieces of tape was holding it up.
Yeah.
There, we just literally yanked it off, and then this one was stuck up a little bit higher. It was a little bit nicer than they usually are. But
Yeah.
Yeah, you had 2 in there. That's usually you only find one.
Found two. So look, guys, if you bought a Hellcat or Scat Pack or Charger Challenger recently, you might want to have an installer take a good little look under the the dashboard of your car, because you'd be surprised what you find in here. Somebody could be tracking your ass every single day and you wouldn't even know it. Yeah. But hopefully, for the benefit of benevolent purposes, it was done by the dealership just to track the car in case it gets stolen.
Yeah.
As opposed to something, something sinister where somebody's trying to track me.
Most of the time, it's just done part of their PDI process.
Sure.
They plug them in, they stuff them up behind the dash.
Yeah.
They try to sell it to you, or if it does get stolen off the lot, hopefully they can sell it.
They can recover it.
They don't do a good job installing it, so
yeah,
pretty easy to remove.
Pretty easy. He found that immediately. But yeah, guys, have somebody look under the under the dash of your brand new whatever just to make sure. 'Cause you'd be surprised. Oh yeah. So give me that shock sensor.
Yep.
Yeah, good stuff.
Around the truck.
So
Picks everything up.
picking everything up. Yep.
That was worn away.
Yeah.
Alarm.
Oh yeah. Very nice. Yep. I like it.
On the inside, the camera's actually making noises. I don't know if we can hear it.
Oh, the camera's making noises too?
Yeah, we'll see if we can set it off. It's hard to hear when the windows are up.
I see it flashing.
Yeah, so right now it's recording because we have an alarm event going on.
Yeah. Good stuff. Yep. I hear it. Oh yeah. You guys heard that. That's the drone camera. Sick. All right. Oh yeah. And then of course that's the T13.
Yep.
So now I got fucking two T13s and I got to distinguish which one is which.
Well, that's what's cool. Ready?
Change that to
LCD
a
view.
truck. There you go. Pick
truck.
up. There we go.
So
Perfect.
now you can just look at the key and you got a pickup truck.
There we go. So we did Compustar T13
Yep.
and IGLA
IGLA. And then
Yeah.
we got the drone mobile
dash
XC
cam.
dash camera.
Good stuff.
And then we got your custom neutral strap plate coming from IGLA.
That's on the way.
That
Yes.
one's from IGLA, man.
Okay.
That'll be on the website for you.
Okay.
If
Sweet.
someone wants to buy one. For
Sweet.
TRX.
Sweet. Good. There we go. So I'm still working here. I need some mud flaps apparently. All right, so we got IGLA installed. We got Compustar installed. So now we're just pairing it with the drone app. I'm not mad at that sound at all. I'm not mad at that. We will be putting an AWE on there though. Yes.
There we go.
All right.
Your keys.
Yes, sir. Okay. So what's the code currently set at? Oh,
Same. I'm just doing it the same thing I do for all of them.
Gotcha.
Left
Just
arrow
by
4
default.
times, and then we can
we
go
can
through
change
the
it.
reset and everything. Do you remember how to change it yourself?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
It's super easy. We'll go over it.
Okay. What do we want to do now? You want to do the drone?
Let's do the drone. Get that up. Make sure
Gotcha.
the cameras are pointed in the right direction. I
Gotcha.
don't have them upside down or something. Let's hold it right. Join, connect.
So this is the.
Wi-Fi off.
Let's say off or on.
Is it off? This is the dash cam.
Wi-Fi on.
The Wi-Fi on. Said it was unable or something.
Yeah, push it through on the. There we go.
There we go.
And it looks like we have. I see just a little bit of blue there, so I think we're just above the hood. So that
That's
looks
good.
good. Nothing
That's
on the
good.
sides.
Perfect. Can we do the rear?
You can hear us talking too.
Oh shit! Yeah, okay. Records audio too. Good.
And then go to cam 2.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you change it. Obviously, when you're a better cell service, it'll go faster
Yeah.
too.
Very nice. That's perfect.
It's a slight bit off center, but it's because you have the slider in the
Yeah.
rear glass. I can't put it in the dead center there,
That
otherwise
makes
it'll
sense.
rip off.
That makes sense. No, that's good. That's good enough.
And then
But
if you see something,
Yeah.
you should be able to.
And it sets the alarm off in the car. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah. Drone. I love it.
And live.
Good
There you
shit,
go.
man. Good shit. So we're good to go.
Yeah.
So, of course, just like the Hellcat, whenever I remote started, I've got to get in. I've got to put my PIN code in on the steering wheel in order for it to start.
Yep. So
Same way. It's just a little more finicky with the TRX, but I mean, ultimately the same process.
Yep. You got to be a little bit more patient. Realistically, is what it comes down to.
Sure.
If you want to go through it, we'll go through it real quick.
Yeah, we can do that.
So turn the ignition on.
Okay.
Don't
Brake.
touch the-
Don't touch the brake.
First one, second
Mm-hmm.
one. Hey, we forgot to disarm the car.
Oh, yeah, we forgot to disarm it.
You want to hit it on the key?
Look at the key fob going crazy. What do you do? Hold it?
Hit it for a second. Hit it.
Just hold it.
Yep. And then one more time.
So you just tap it. You don't have to hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, because I've never had my alarm actually go off. Oh, wow. This thing is going crazy. It's wanting you to know. Okay.
All right. You want to start over?
Yeah,
Now that we've
let's start
disarmed
from
it?
scratch. Yeah.
All right. Give it a second. Ignition on. Now
And the
these
drone
light-
app. Yeah.
These lights right here.
Yeah.
Once those turn off, now you can put the code in. So the,
Okay. So this is the temporary code, guys. Don't
Yep.
get excited.
the left arrow 4 times.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Get those 2 hazard flashes.
Wild card.
Now you can start her up.
Started.
There you go. Simple. You saw what happened. If you do not enter in that code, you're not going anywhere.
You also can't program keys, which is the main way that they steal these vehicles.
Yeah. So you can't replicate the key fob.
Like that
Like
video
that.
we were going over, I
Yeah.
sent you the other day.
Yeah.
What they're doing is they're doing key hacking.
Sure.
So when they try to program up a key
Yeah.
with that scan tool,
Yeah.
IGLA's algorithm's going to go nope and block it right there
Block
and
it.
then. They won't be able to get the code to program. They won't be able to access it.
Yeah.
You can be the dealer. You have full control over whether or not IGLA is going to allow a key to be programmed.
Good stuff.
So in the event you do need a new key, you can
Yeah.
put into service mode.
Service mode.
And that'll give you, that basically turns IGLA's functions off completely and
Good stuff.
allows you to put your, basically program a key at your own leisure.
Good stuff. IGLA, Compustar. You can't go wrong.
And then we'll get your neutral plate. That's from IGLA Man.
Yeah. Okay. The
He's
neutral
got a-
plate.
Yep, I just ran out for you.
Oh, no
So
worries.
We're gonna have those coming in. I
Mhm.
think I said Friday.
Yeah. Friday.
So we'll come back Friday. We'll get that plate put in there.
Good
and
stuff.
You'll be 100% good to go.
What do we need this for? Because I remember I got rid of this on the Hellcat.
That's your backup.
Okay.
So when you get the T13, you
Yeah.
get two remotes.
Sure. Oh, this is second remote.
That's your
Okay.
secondary remote. So if
Gotcha.
you can give it for a spin, just give it a quick tap.
Yeah.
That'll lock and arm it.
Yeah.
Double tap it,
Unarmed to disarm.
unlock
this
it, and then
stuff.
press and hold would remote start it.
Gotcha.
I
Okay.
don't think it's that.
I didn't try it.
Oh,
I didn't even try it. Do you
Give
want
it-
me to try it?
just do the double tap to disarm before we set the alarm off.
Mhm.
There we go.
Okay. Okay. Compustar, IGLA, and then we're gonna do the plate that's coming in on Friday.
Yep.
So this truck will damn near be you know, I don't want to say unstealable, but close to
As
it.
close as you're gonna get.
Close as you're gonna get. All right, guys. So I haven't even had this truck a full 24 hours, and it's already secure. First things first.
think
I
that
gotta
was
practice
roughly
what I preach.
Well, roughly 12 hours.
Roughly 12 hours, because I didn't get down to Georgia until honestly I didn't get down to Georgia probably till like 6 or so. 5:30. 5:30 was when I got down to Georgia. So from 5:30 to now 9:30 a.m. The following day we're secure. I told you guys, practice what you preach, man. So as always, TunesCarStereo. Talk to the one and only Andrew. I'll put the link in the description. He's taking care of all of my cars at this point. You do everything: security, audio, any sort of
audio, security,
yeah.
radar, laser countermeasures.
yeah, countermeasures. That's right.
Some lighting.
Yeah.
Basically all electrical stuff.
Whole electrical stuff.
No oil changes, no suspension.
No. We're not doing oil changes here. Although I'm sure you probably could if you wanted to.
If I needed to. I could.
There you go. If you needed to. And you do it for all makes and models too, for the most part.
Yep.
Okay. Because right now it's Mopar, tomorrow it'll be Chevy, the day after that Ford. You do it for all of them.
I got a Raptor coming in next week for the same package.
Good stuff. All right, guys. As always, like, subscribe, comment, man. Talk to my man Andrew at TunesCarStereo. He'll get you protected and secured, man. See you guys in the next one.